Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once more, and today I'm back with a new review, and today I'm reviewing RB850 HP wireless headphones. And this headphone has some really cool features like noise cancelling, and I've tested this headphone for past 2 months. And first thing you notice during the unboxing and during the uses of this headphone is the build quality. The build quality is pretty good. Out of all the headphones I've used, these ones I'd have to say are the top. And the actual headphone is Remax branded, and you won't feel like you are unboxing or you're using something cheap. The buttons are responsive, smooth, design is also nice, feels comfortable, it fully covers your ear. Even when the headphones are not active, you get pretty good noise cancellation. And when you activate the active noise cancellation, it reduces the external noise maybe 30-40%, but that is enough. But the one downside, it gets hot. Overall, Remax brand is pretty nice in my experience. If you're on a market for some nice noise cancelling headphone, then you could buy these, as these are both cheap and best.